Let's now move across to the West, where the countdown has begun for another high-voltage race to power. This race, however, is in the eye of a legal storm. We are talking about none other than the 2024 US presidential race. Our focus tonight is on Republican frontrunner Donald J. Trump and his legal troubles. Now, Donald Trump is facing a slew of criminal charges, but in focus is the Georgia election interference case. Just to give you a quick recap, Trump is facing charges of allegedly conspiring to overturn the results in Georgia, where Joe Biden narrowly defeated him back in 2020. The district attorney on this case, Fannie Willis, made a rather intriguing statement that could severely affect the political environment for Donald Trump. At a Washington event, Willis said that the trial may drag on beyond the November 2024 election. She stated that the trial might not conclude till late winter of 2024 or even early as 2025. Now, what does this mean for the Republican favorite's bid? Will he be able to contest elections? It seems that running for president again might not be a problem for Donald Trump, because the DA's statement came hours after another key development that decided Trump's eligibility to contest elections. Just on Tuesday, a Michigan judge ruled that the former US president will remain on the state's primary ballot. The court dismissed a Civil War-era 14th constitutional amendment. Now, that petitioners were relying on to invalidate Trump's candidature. The latest ruling is the second time in a week that a state court declined to remove Trump from a primary ballot under the insurrection provision of the 14th Amendment. Trump's role in the January 6th Capitol Hill riots 2 years ago triggered a series of suits against him, with the aim of declaring him ineligible for the presidency. But so far, it seems safe to say that Donald J. Trump will be part of the 2024 presidential race. But this is where the matter gets complicated. On the one hand, several state courts are clearing Donald Trump to contest elections. On the other hand, the Georgia election overturn case against him is expected to drag on till after elections and are held, and a winner is declared. So the key question here is, what happens in a scenario where Donald Trump wins the election but gets convicted in the 2020 election overturn case just months later? How will the legal issues unfold for a sitting president if the scenario plays out in this manner?